1,000 years ago, from 968, and this capital being a stronghold military for 3 dynasties. As you can see on the picture over here, the first version over there is the first king Vietnam, King Dinh. And over there it's still him. After he defeated warlord from China and built the first capital in here and became the first king of Vietnam. And the next person, that is not him. Yes, the second king of Vietnam, another king. Yes, the second king of Vietnam, Le King. And the last king over there, this is not the second king, the third king. Yes, the third king of Vietnam. As you can see, three dynasties. We have 3 states. Built the first capital, became the first king, and changed the sword for the second king. And the last you can see, we use the boat moving to somewhere, right? Change the capital. Yes, we change the capital from here to Hanoi. Yeah. Yes, in our history we change the capital a lot of times.
And he get away to the king. Yeah. Yeah. Alright, everyone, remember what I said about the local before here. The middle 17th century, the people came from Chinese language to known language and Alan. Yeah, actually, known language was a Vietnamese language, but made by Chinese character. That easy to write. Yeah. And you know the Catholic came to the country in the
Buddy, we are in the temple, and the temple of the first king of Vietnam. We built the temple for Vietnam and China culture. As you can see, the dragon
and everything belongs to
have
the
a
king.
shape like a snake. It's very long, like snake.
Because in my
It's
country,
not like Europe culture.
for animal, we call them they are called
It's
special
like
animals. And the first
like
is
a
dragon.
mixes from
You know, I told you doing
horse.
We have 8 dynasty and 300 kings.
dragon, and they have
All
big
the
wings.
kings in Vietnam, they
But
think
in
they are dragons.
Asia, it's not. It's
Because dragon is
snake.
the sun
And we have
dragon, dragon like the power.
like a human.
How do you want
To stay here, can you see the dragon?
No people like me, like you. They cannot go inside that idea. But as you can see, but now we open that up. Because we have a lot of visitors came here every day. So we need to open that one. And you can see window with the high step, window. And the